Look around you for a moment. Every star you see in the night sky, every planet, every atom in your body, all of it had a beginning. Science doesn't start this story with gods or myths. It starts with a question so large it almost breaks the human mind. How did everything begin? According to modern science, the universe began around 13.8 billion years ago with an event called the Big Bang. Despite its name, the Big Bang wasn't an explosion in space. It was an expansion of space itself. In the beginning, the universe was unimaginably hot, dense and small, smaller than an atom. There were no stars, no planets, no time as we understand it, just pure energy. The idea of the Big Bang was first proposed by Georges Lemaitre, a Belgian scientist and priest, who suggested that the universe was expanding from a single original point. At the time, his idea sounded unbelievable, but then came evidence. In the 1920s, Edwin Hubble made a shocking discovery. He observed that distant galaxies were moving away from us. The farther they were, the faster they moved. This meant the universe wasn't static. It was expanding. If you reverse that expansion, everything leads back to a single beginning, the Big Bang. In the first fraction of a second after the universe began, something extraordinary happened. The universe expanded faster than the speed of light. This phase is called cosmic inflation, proposed by Alan Guth. Inflation explains why the universe looks almost the same in every direction, and why tiny fluctuations later became galaxies. As the universe expanded, it began to cool. Energy turned into matter. The first particles formed, then protons and neutrons. Within minutes, the first atomic nuclei appeared, but the universe was still dark. There were no stars yet. For hundreds of millions of years, gravity slowly pulled matter together. Gas clouds collapsed. Pressure increased. And then, light. The first stars were born. Inside these stars, nuclear fusion created heavier elements like carbon, oxygen, and iron. When massive stars died in explosions called supernovae, they scattered these elements across space. This is how planets formed. This is how chemistry became possible. This is how life could eventually exist. One scientist who deeply changed how we understand the universe was Albert Einstein. His theory of general relativity showed that gravity is the bending of space and time itself. Without this theory, modern cosmology wouldn't exist. Later, scientists discovered something even stranger. The expansion of the universe is speeding up. An unknown force called dark energy is pushing galaxies apart. We don't fully understand it yet. And then there's dark matter. Invisible, undetectable directly, but necessary to explain how galaxies hold together. Even today, most of the universe remains a mystery. But here's the most poetic part of all. Every atom in your body was forged in the heart of a star. The calcium in your bones, the iron in your blood, the oxygen you breathe. You are not separate from the universe. You are the universe trying to understand itself. From a tiny point of energy, to billions of galaxies, to a planet that can ask questions. That's how science explains the birth of everything. And the story is still unfolding.